Hello, quick video on how to install laminated vinyl planks. So starting here, I'm cleaning, washing the floor. So just water, and then I'm using this machine here that sucks the water, so I can, kind of get it dry faster. Throwing water everywhere, the whole basement. It's concrete floor, had a lot of dust from the paint, from everything, from the construction itself. So I'm using this machine and vacuuming all the dirty water. On this particular room right here, I had to raise the floor. It was uneven. So I'm using regular concrete here with a lot of water and spreading with a blade. I raised it about 1.5 inches that room, and every place else that had a small depression on the floor, I'm using a self-leveling compound. So you just mix it and spread around. Very expensive stuff, but it works great. As you can see, it flows through the areas that are low and makes a good foundation for laying out your laminate floor. In this clip here, you can see I'm spreading it again. It self-levels itself and get you ready for the vinyl plank. Did that same in the bathroom that I have downstairs. That's a picture. You have it right there. It becomes kind of a mirror. And laying out the planks right now, you start from whatever the corner you feel it's the best. Make some calculations. I made some calculations. I pre-drew the drawings and the sizes that I want to have on my floor, and then you just start it and it goes quickly. As you can see here, of course, it's a very big area. It took me a couple of hours to complete, but I'm very pleased with the results. It's came to be just as expected. It matches the colors of my walls. As you can see, you have small pieces on the back of that wall. Those are the starting point, and once you figure out what's the pattern you want to use, that's the only row that you gotta cut, and everything else is just gonna be the full planks until you hit the other side of the wall that you need to trim. So I did that, and I had a lot of fun. Although you gotta be moving things around all the time. I'm using these planks, boxes, kind of to hold in place behind me, but the size of the project, it was so big that I didn't really need it. You just go with the rubber mallet, hammering out. Here I'm just taking things out from this bathroom. I was going to also switch the floors here, install the same finish. So you gotta take everything, level out, and then install the planks. Make a lot of cuts for this small room here, for the toilet, for the sink and everything. But I thought this was going to give a much better finish than leaving the old floor. So I'm pretty happy with the results as well on the bathroom here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun doing it.